I made my mermaid outfit. So if you would like to know how I made it and how to get that gorgeous outfit which I was wearing, then stay tuned. So everything what you need for this outfit is fabric, the fabric in which color you would like to have the outfit, and lots of seashells, lots of sea stars, lots of different pearls, diamonds, and all of this. Everything I ordered in eBay. I can put down below a link where you can purchase yourself if you're interested. And also I kind of took old fish tights, black tights. So this is the fabric which when I ordered, it actually came better than I thought. It's more like a turquoise blue, I would say. It's very close to the baby blue if it's easier for you, and it's actually really good, and it was working perfectly. But you can choose plenty of different colors. You can go for, I don't know, gold, or you can go for yellow, or like pink and all the different stuff, so, or rose gold. Like, yeah, you basically can choose. So this is the bra which one I made, and first of all I took the old bra, but actually it was a bad idea. I could actually took, next time if I'm gonna make something I will take a brand new one, because you can say in this area I just wanted to leave it like that. My plan was just to do basically one side like that and other side just a little bit around. So here was you could see my bra fabric, and I didn't like how it looks all together, so I added that blue fabric on the top of everything, and it made it really nice actually. And how I made this side, I just put on the bra, and then I just took piece of the fabric and I just put it under, and then I saw where I need to sew them together. Look really nice. I wasn't thinking to do the sides, and then I just was cutting very rough the fabric, and I just put in together with the hot glue. So yeah, another side exactly the same, and this is from the tights, like fish tights. And then yeah, in every square I put the pearls. You can put diamonds if you like. I put the pearls. It's two different colors. There is more like coral pink, and then there is like purple, I would say. And then yeah, you can also choose the shells which one you want. You don't have to put exactly which one I got. And yeah, I'm very happy, very happy. So I'm gonna put this one on the side. And about the skirts I done very easy, but because I have some experience in the sewing together and all these things, I like to do all these things. So for me it was very easy. But if you're struggling and you don't know how much fabric you will need, just take the latest skirts which one you was wearing, and put the skirts on a floor or whatever, and then put the fabric around and see how much, and measure with the fabric how much you need to cut, how much you need to do this. So yeah, and in the picture you will be able to see how I had these skirts. On the skirts also I just used the hot glue, and use the hot glue and put all the seashells, the fish type, and all the diamonds and everything all together. And I hope you can see, but in this side, I hope you can see it's kind of like it's not straight. So I made it like how to say better. I hope you can see. So I basically took the fabric and okay. I took the fabric and I just made it like that. Hope it's like that. See? Like that. And I just used hot glue to glue them together so I don't have to sew. And this was on a front. You can see in a picture that this one, all this was front. I done it this one so it looks a bit more, not that straight, looks a bit more interesting. And also if you are struggling with the overweight, it will at some point it will hide your belly or whatever, you know, so it's kind of cool. So yeah, this was the skirts, and in the end I just was tying them basically up like that. and this is how it was holding all the photo shoot. And this is the tiara, which one I made as well myself. And the tiaras here, it's from, you know, you can just buy in a Poundland shop or whenever, you can buy this plastic tiara for the girls. So I took the basic one, I think it was £1 or whatever, and then I just used hot glue, and again the seashells and then the pearls and the diamonds and everything, and I just glue it together. So, yeah, this one came, yeah, this one need to glue it together again, but no worries about this one. And why I glue the pearls here on the side, because whenever I put on a head, you could a little bit see, so that's why I put it there, so it looks everything really beautiful. And also whenever you put this one on your head, this one went on your forehead, which one also makes really pretty and good. So yeah, I think it turns out better than I thought it's gonna be, so it's really beautiful, and it's easy to make. It's easy, it's not that hard as you probably think. About the makeup, it was hard to take the picture on a photo shoot day, my makeup, because we actually was expecting clouds, not sunshine, so the sunshine appeared, and the pictures was more brighter, more lighter than we supposed to have, and that's why it was quite hard to take really good picture of my makeup. But what I use it for my makeup, so there was this lines, and the colors was kind of different colors, so I just made it something like that. I know many of the girls are just taking the tights on the head and then doing all this. No, this wasn't for me. I just didn't like, and I just wanted to make something like what is really useful. I would say it's even easier, and for example, if this side goes wrong, I can clean it off and do it again. But if it's this side goes wrong, then while I'm putting my tights again back, this side is ruined, so I just decided I'm gonna make something like that. And again, I made this one from hot glue. These are actually the pencils who is holding this one, and it's very easy, and I just put and you can do what you want, so it's really good. So I hope you are enjoying so far my pictures, my video. If you have any questions, just let me know, I can help you out about this one. Hope it was very useful. I really hope it was very useful to you, and as I said, it's not hard, it's very easy to do, and everyone can do. You can do this as well. And if you have done any of these things, just I would like to know. Send me the picture. You can send me here on YouTube, I think. You can just message me, or you can find me on a Facebook by Rosenthal, and you can send me the picture on there. If you have done mermaid's makeup, send me also a picture of your makeup look. I would like to see that. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, you know what to do. If you would like to see more of me, then be patient very soon. And have an amazing day and enjoy my rest of the pictures. Lots of hugs and kisses, and